Welcome to my channel and thanks for participating in the blog hop for the Fearless and Fabulous collection that Country Craft Creations has. This is actually a blog hop in recognition of Breast Cancer Awareness, which is in the month of October, and also the World Card Making Day, which was October 4th. So the two became one, and we came up with this blog hop. So we're all the designers and the different people participating are using this collection. Check the description box down below so you can get the links to the other participants' channels so you can see what they have made and check them out. And before I show you the project and then make it, I'm going to go ahead and show you what you get in this cute little collection. So there are 6 different card fronts, and they all have the breast cancer awareness symbol. So they've got the pink ribbon. So you've got these real vibrant, bright colors, and you have the witch flying by the moon, 2 of each. You have the witch by her witch's brew, and again, the pink ribbon is coming up like it's bubbling out of the cauldron. 2 of these. I love the watercolor look in the back. You've got your, I almost said ducks, but they're geese. And they have their capes on with the ribbon on them. The next one, you have the Fight Like a Girl type theme where you've got the boxing gloves and again, the ribbon. This was my favorite. So this one is the Halloween, real good Halloween one. Pink ghosts with, hints of pink rather than all orange and white. There is an orange jack-o'-lantern though, and you do have that symbol up there in the window. And then you have this real cool background, or the cool gal who's looking in the forward, and you see the back, and she's got the butterfly wings and the symbol inside of that, kind of like she is flying high and she is conquering what she's going through. So I love that one. Now, not only do you get those card fronts then, is you need some sayings. And so you will get 2 cards that are sayings. One is more related to the color of the cards, and one is more black and white. But the word pink is always standing out. So these say the same thing. It's just that they have different colors. And so it's support squad, faith over fear. That's my favorite saying for everything. Fight like a ghoul. In October, we wear pink. Fearless in pink. Wicked strong, brewing courage one day at a time. You've got spooktacular courage, pink power, beautifully brave. Thinking of you this October, and this one's funny. I mean, you got to make light of some things. You have to smile sometimes. Breast cancer is boo sheet. I thought that was very good play on words. I'm a tag girl, so I was happy to see that there are 4 different tags that we can work with. So this is pretty much, you could just, put a ribbon in this and poof, it's done. But we like to add embellishments and depth and texture. So we'll be adding something to the tags. The stamps that you can cut them out individually. You can use them in rows of 3. You could use this whole thing if you wanted to. And that could be a card front. And then finally, the wax seals. These look so real in person. It's not even funny. So you can cut these out and put them on, and people are going to think that you've spent hours getting those wax seals put together. All right, so that's the collection. Let's go ahead and take a look at the project, and then we will make one together. All right, so this is the project I'll be showing you on the next video. I'm just calling it a card folio. I made my mistakes on the first one so that the next one, there will be no mistakes, but the front is just layered, and I have this saying, fight like a ghoul, up on foam squares with some little pearls, flat back pearls from the store. I did make a bow and put a pearl in the center there. The back cover is just plain because, it's going to be laying out. When you open it, there is an angled pocket here that I just folded back the paper, and I cut out some of the pumpkins on one of the card fronts, and I made a tag and matted it on some black sparkle paper that I got from Country Craft Creations. I don't know if they had it in the store. I don't know if they actually sell it online, but it was some Sizzix paper. So a little pop of black there. And there's that black here also. And then I just cut off the bottom of one of the cards so that it would have like a border. This is, in the center here, is for a gift card. So I cut one of the cards in half. And this is the standard size for a credit card, I guess, or a gift card. And then this is where I cut off the bottom here. And I just put white paper, so you could put a message with one of the wax seals and then the back. So that is what I made with the card kit. And now go see part 2, and I will walk you through it, and we'll make another one together. All right, here we go.